So, just received a couple of boxes of Abranets from Mirka. If you haven't seen these before, I'll show you. These are P80s, which are the coarsest ones they do. And when you touch these, you can't obviously through the camera, but it's like a ceramic sort of feel. It's not like sandpaper, and as you can see with my hand through there, look, it's like a net. So it's not like a solid sheet, it's actually got holes in. You can see through there, look, you can see the light. It's more like a net than an actual sandpaper, and that's why the dust extraction is so good on these things, because it actually sucks the dust through it, so it doesn't have to have holes in. So they just wear better, and they're Velcro, so they just stick on the heads, and they last a lot longer than sandpaper, and they're just better. So that's Abranet. They also do auto net that's sort of aimed at the auto trade, because a lot of bodyweight people use Mirka products because they're the best. So that's Abranet, and then there's auto net. Of course you can only use auto net on wood, but Abranet's the right one. So that's it. I'll just stock my stocks up again. Show them in here. My 80s. I'll have one open at the bottom. Take that off. Little tabs off. Like that. Put it that way around so I know what it is. And there we go. That's his Mirka Abranet's all stocked up again. And if you haven't seen the Mirka sander, that's it under here. So as you can see there, that's the Deros 2 sander, and the Dexos vacuum, that's the sander there. Nice little rack I made, so it just sits in there, doesn't get knocked about. Amazing bit of kit. Not dirt cheap, so they're not dead cheap sanders, but that's not what the market aiming for. They're aiming for being the best sander. So they don't aim to be the cheapest, but if you want a sander that works and doesn't cover you in dust, then that is the sander for you. Coffee time. Typical Monday morning feeling. I feel absolutely shattered this morning. Get that Monday morning feeling where you just feel like you haven't had a weekend off. I think I actually feel more tired when I have time off. I mean, I was working yesterday for half a day, but I feel more tired when I have time off than I do when I'm actually working. I'm actually less tired if I've been busy at work and busy getting things done. So I'm going to just put the hooks on this thing here, these brushed aluminium or nickel, whatever they want to call them, on there. We've got these handles we're going to fasten on, which we had made by a brilliant guy around the corner the other day. They're going to go on there, so we've got to drill them and just take these sharp edges off. They were to match the photo the lady sent me. That's to finish, and then we've got to deliver that. This coat rack is going to Matlock this afternoon, so we've got to get some, I think I've got a couple of brushed aluminium knobs I'm going to put on the drawers at the bottom, put the brushed aluminium hooks on, and that's that all finished. That's going to Matlock this afternoon, so to say. This one I think is going to Wingleworth, just outside Chesterfield, this afternoon if she's in. And then we'll need to get on with some other things. Tomorrow we're going to be making some gates. We're going to be making these gates tomorrow. So these gates, I was going to repair them for the lady. She said, could you repair them and repaint them, which I was going to do. But then once we sanded the paint off the top rails here, we can see they've been absolutely filled with filler before. And this filler is all broke away. It's become detached from the timber. So if I paint that, it's just going to keep cracking, and they're basically beyond repair really. And these bottom rails are all rotting, as you can see. I've cut a piece out of there, look, it's just rotten as a pear. So I just said it's not worth the hours repairing them. So we're going to pick the timber up either tonight or first thing in the morning and get those made tomorrow. That's going to be tomorrow's job. So let's get cracking and get some hooks on this baby. Have a good day and I'll speak to you all later.